It's just after 5 p.m., and instead of being stuck in traffic right now, I'm in the kitchen getting ready for an early dinner for the kids. I can't believe that sometimes this is how my workday looks now. Working online and building my digital business and having the freedom to enjoy moments like this, to enjoy getting to provide for my family, to enjoy getting to cook for them, and not rushing or sitting in hours of traffic stressing about how I'm going to prepare dinner, what are we going to eat tonight, I'm going to miss another deadline because I have to work. I don't have any of that. Today I'm making a quick stir fry, nothing fancy, just simple and delicious. And while I cook, the kids are in the lounge watching their cartoons and I get to listen to those giggles while I stir the pan. These little things I used to miss when I was working long hours or traveling away for business, or sitting in traffic every day. Now I get to plan my life around them, not the other way around. I love how digital marketing gives me that balance, that I can do everything on automation, that I could start as a complete beginner, and that it only takes 2 hours out of my day. So I can fetch the kids early, I can prepare a meal for them, and I can enjoy, while they enjoy watching cartoons in the lounge, that I'm at home and I'm there to listen to their day, how their day at school went, and just listen to those little giggles and those little laughs. Everything happens from my laptop. Content creation, voiceovers, designing content, making content from home. It's all done from either my laptop or my phone. And like I said, it only takes 2 hours because I have an automated system that runs in the background for me. But right now, it's all about stirring the veg, tendering the chicken, and adding a little magic to the dinner. And yes, I definitely taste tested more than I should have. At 6 p.m., I'm hosting a free training showing people how to create and selling their digital products online. So even if you've never done this before, if you can start wanting to earn an extra income, this is what the kind of freedom looks like. The freedom to cook, the freedom to be present, and the freedom to build something that fits around your family. So as the stir fry finishes up, I'm just grateful. I'm grateful that I said yes to the digital path. I'm grateful that I get to design my day the way I want to. Even if I've been craving that kind of balance, stick around and I'm going to show you exactly how you can start your own journey. Now let me serve this up before the cartoons and they come running because they're hungry. So here they are, ready for dinner. And just look at those gorgeous little smiles. Thanks for joining my little cooking segment. If you want to know any more on how to start your digital marketing or how you can have freedom as a mom without being stressed out about missing a deadline, working long hours, being stuck in traffic, or not contributing enough to your family, even if you're looking for that little side hustle to earn you an extra income from home as a South African, yes, you can earn in dollars as a complete beginner. I said yes to digital marketing, and it helped me replace my 9-to-5 salary. It helped me be the present mom at home. It helped me It helped me get out of a job that I absolutely hated. I got out of a toxic job environment, and now I'm a full-time stay-at-home mom that gets to be present for her kids. I get to say yes to all the fun things that my kids want to do and what they need. So if you have an hour tonight, instead of Netflixing, after dinner, hop on to my free Canva training and come and learn how to create a digital product with me. Comment ready while I enjoy this dinner, and I'll get all the information to you.